Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will try to solve a problem that you may encounter if you have to work with large spreadsheets like this one, or if you are not familiar with the data. So you can see that when I scroll down up, I lose for example, what's this column mean and what's the other column mean. So I want to freeze this first row. To do that, we go to the View tab, we select Freeze Panes and Freeze Top Row. Now if I scroll down, you can see that I still see the first row appearing, so I'm not confused what each column mean. In other situations, we may be interested in freezing the first column, for example. So to do that, we first unfreeze the first row, then we freeze the first column. So now if I scroll to the right, to the left, you can see that the first column is still showing. In other situations, we might want to freeze, for example, the first two rows and the first column, for example. So to do that, I have to select the cell you can see in the intersection, for example this one, and we go to the View and we choose Freeze Panes. So now you can see if I scroll down, I can see the first two rows, and if I scroll to the right, you can see that I see the first column. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this far. If you like this, feel free to like and subscribe.